up, guys? So it's been a while since I've done an unboxing video, so I guess I'm kind of due for one. So luckily today I actually got my new microphone. This is the Marantz Professional MPM 2000U microphone. Now I was trying to initially get the Blue Yeti. It was on sale on GameStop one day for like about, I think it was 50 bucks. But my order didn't go through. And you know what, I had to cancel it. Well, they actually canceled it. I was either getting the Blue Snowball because that was under my price range. Right now my budget is like about 50 bucks. So I got this baby for about 35 bucks from Focus Camera. So I did watch the reviews online. Now for the Blue Snowball, like I said, I didn't really like the sound quality of the Snowball. And for some reason, a lot of people, there's a ton of videos out on YouTube with people just, you know, just bragging how good the Snowball is. Actually, honestly, I think most of them are sponsored. Now, this is not a sponsored video, just to let you guys know. See, I can zoom out a little bit. Alright. So, the box doesn't come sealed, it's just a regular box. So, let's see what we got inside. Alright, let's back. Features. So, you get a studio quality USB condenser microphone. It's designed for DAW recording. High quality 48 kilohertz 16-bit AD converter and fast transient response. So in the box you get the microphone, a USB cable, a shock mount, and a professional microphone case. Looks like a little toolbox. That's cool. I guess if you travel and stuff, you got a little case to protect your microphone. And I got all this for about 35 bucks. I did check the reviews online, and for the most part the sound quality did sound good. I'm hoping that those YouTubers were actually using this microphone and it wasn't just like a sponsored video, you know, to get people to buy this. Okay, so here's your little toolbox. Let's see. So you gotta, okay, pull it apart. Nice. So we got this foam padding on top, and safety instructions and warranty information. That's always good. The contents and some more information, technical specs. Okay, so they actually included the polar pattern, so it's basically just a front-facing microphone. Okay, now. So we have, okay, so for the USB cord, it does look like it's nice quality, premium. It does have a nice feel to it, soft rubber feel to it. It looks durable, but let's see, when I actually test it out, I'll let you guys know how durable it actually is. So here we actually have the shock mount. So I don't have a boom stand, so if you do have a boom stand, you can just screw it on here and tack it on wherever you want. So I'm probably just going to use it flat on the table. Just put this to the side. So the good thing about this is that it doesn't require a external power output. Okay, so basically I just slide this in here. Got the port. Alright, first off, for the feel of this. Okay, so it is a bit heavy. It does feel a little bit like, you know, it does have some good quality to it. Smooth finish. I don't really see any nicks or any damages. So for 35 bucks you get the mic, the stand, and the USB cable. Yo, this is a pretty good deal.